Hello. How you doing? You doing good? I'm doing good. What is good? What is good? What is good, my people? How you guys doing today, man? It's your boy Ruby Smooth with another video. Before we get started, man, I'm gonna need you guys to subscribe to the channel. You know, yada yada yada. Like the video. Comment down below. And yeah, please, you know, we get in there. We almost at 5K. We almost at 5K subs. My G. We almost at 5K, and then we got to 10K, and then a million K. That's like 1 billion. Just kidding. I don't know. Whatever. Anyways, man. Hopefully for this video, hopefully the car is done. It's done. It will be on the streets, my G. It will be on the streets. I'll be whipping it. Yo, low key, last video I drove the car to the car wash just to like drive it, you know, just to like let it breathe a little bit. You feel me? Because it's been what, bro? Literally, this is the second time this year I drive the car. The first time it was around the block. The second time was down the street to the wash. So I think it's time I take the car out this year because summer's already over. It's already August in like 3 days. Right behind this camera, I have the whole kit on the floor. I'm gonna be wrapping it. My wrap came in today, so I'm gonna be wrapping the kit today, and then that's pretty much everything. Other than an alignment, because my alignment was horrible. Driving that car to the car wash was the most sketchiest thing I've done this year. I got the whole kit right here, all laid out. You know what's the craziest? The crazy thing, this kit is so close to the wrap I have. It's kind of weird. So if I didn't tell you guys I wrapped it already, you guys would believe me. This attic, bro, when it's summertime, bro, it'd be like 100, at least 120 degrees up here, bro. No cap. And when it's winter, it's like negative 120 degrees. Clip 20, hundreds and fifties and ones, pop smoke. So 2 days later, I have everything wrapped. The whole entire kit is wrapped. It's full of freaking cat hair because these mother freakers. But everything is wrapped. Before I throw on the kit, I'm going to install my fender liners. The fender liners that came with the kit. Well, they didn't come with it. They come separate. So if you guys order this kit, you guys want the fender liner, just remember, you gotta get it separate. Hopefully the car should be ready for an alignment today. If it is, I'll bring it to the shop tomorrow to get it aligned, and then I'll be ready to go. I also got this fitting right here from Bag Riders because the fitting in the driver's side in the front is leaking. So like the plastic piece is like broken. So I got a new one. So I got the car all jacked up and stuff. So if you guys order this kit and you guys order the fender liner as well, it comes with this fender liner, and this fender liner is actually fiberglass, so it's pretty solid and everything fits pretty good. So the fender liner, it comes with like not pre-drilled, but it's like already marked out. You see where the factory hole is, but some of them line up. I'm probably like 1 inch off, so I'm gonna just drill a new hole right here, and I got some of those plastic clips, and I'll just throw that in the factory holes. So I got these clips they're not exactly like the OEM ones, but they're close enough. I think I got this die for like maybe like 10 bucks or less, I forgot, but these are pretty handy. So my memory card kind of ran out of space, but I got this whole side on, as you guys can see, and this thing is looking crazy, bro. Crazy. So this kit comes with like this little rubber gasket thingy-majiggy, and that like there's 0 gaps anywhere now, like literally. Look at this, bro. So on the other side I couldn't get the second part of the fender liner, so I only got the front half, and I wasn't able to put the second half because I don't know, something, it wasn't like lining up or something. But I'm gonna just end up probably painting this black with like a undercoat or something, just so like you don't see none of this stuff. Sucks because I won't be getting rocks and shit, but like back here at least the front covers like the engine bay and all that stuff up there, so that's what really matters to me. So we are done, and we are done. We're ready for the streets.
La Batimóvil.
Facts.
El maní en Halloween viene como Batman.
Hell yeah.
Y Madeleine, ¿cómo es?
Catwoman.
Ajá, esa misma. Yo, qué cool, el maní con los 2 cuernos saliendo del carro.
Mané, voy a comprar la máscara, bro.
No, tienes que comprarte diferente, ¿no?
El diablo.
Yo, qué dura, lo que estoy llegando con ese carro.
Facts.
Llegó Batman y una vez comienza a joder.
So all we need now is an alignment, and we're ready for the streets, bro.
It ain't making sense. I'm just here to vent. It happened to one of your people.
You like the camera, bro. Let's stop acting, bro.
Stop it, please. Because then you put that shit in.
¿Y qué?
Stop, my friend's watching.
Oh,
My fan. My fan.
What?
bagging.
Give me. Guys. So it's day number 3, 4, 5, or 6. I don't even know what day it is anymore on this vlog, but the car, I'm not gonna say it's done, but it's done basically. Yesterday I went and I got an alignment, so everything is a-okay. The car is driving straight for the most part. It's still good, but just like some spots like right there, oh, that sucks. Some spots right there, back here too. I didn't even notice this, to be honest. What the hell? And the bottom of my bumper I think I'm gonna do my bumper again, like in the bottom part. But other than that, the car is good, it's riding good, everything is smooth. I'll take the car out. I want to take a couple pics, you know, show it off to the world, finally.
Wanna know how they smoke the big of my